Welcome to WyoTech, where your education goes far beyond the shop. Here, you'll build more than technical skill. You'll build confidence, friendships, and a community that feels like home. This is a place full of people who share your passion for hard work and your drive to make something 100% of yourself. Students come here from all over the country, coast to coast. The average student travels more than 1,000 miles to be part of WyoTech. Everyone here has taken the same leap you have, leaving home, chasing opportunity, and stepping into something bigger. You'll meet people from every background, every corner of the country. Homesickness fades fast when you're surrounded by others who get it. Student life here is about connection. There's a club for nearly every interest, from off-roading and automotive to veterans, women of WyoTech, and more. There's even a Bible study group and plenty of ways to get involved around town. Since 2018, WyoTech students have completed over 10,000 hours of community service. It's a culture of going above and beyond, of seeing good and wanting to do good. And when you need support, WyoTech's got your back. Free tutoring is available for math, competencies, or any area you want to sharpen. Nobody here does it alone. When class is done, there's no shortage of things to do. Go skiing or snowboarding in the winter. Go fishing, hiking, or off-roading in the summer. Explore downtown Laramie, full of great food, music, and events like Jubilee Days and Cheyenne Frontier Days. If you want a weekend getaway, you're close to it all. Fort Collins, Cheyenne, and Denver are all just a short drive away. WyoTech offers both on-campus housing and campus-managed off-campus living. Each is supported by safety officers dedicated to keeping our students secure day and night. Laramie is a small, friendly town with a low crime rate, a place where you can focus on what matters. Student life at WyoTech is about more than what happens in the classroom. It's about who you become along the way. You'll work hard, you'll grow fast, you'll make friendships and memories that last long after graduation. This is your community, your next chapter, your chance to build something real. Welcome to WyoTech. Let's get to work.